Most people meet Kyoto in the middle of the day, shoulder to shoulder, camera to camera. But this is Kyoto before the world wakes up. Before the Torii gates, before the temples, before the world rushes in, Kyoto feels like a secret. Now let's get into this.
Welcome to Kyoto.
Just outside the city stands a shrine with over 10,000 Torii gates, each one donated by a business hoping for prosperity.
All right, Megan, we're at the start.
Yes, we are.
Let's go. There's signs there. You just know it is right there. Actually, it's right here. I'll show you. Yeah, you see the signs, and then you actually see them up here. You just got to look better than me. Megan seen them, I didn't. There's two sides to it. So if you stay on the right side, that's going to be your entrance. And then when you're leaving, there's a side to leave that way as well. That's how busy this place is. Wow. And if you notice, on the back side, it's all the writing. So it's kind of plain on this side, right? There's really nothing. You don't see it. But the back side there, yeah, you see all the writing. Yeah, check it out. There's like this whole unique area. You got some steps to go up. We're gonna see what's up here. I don't know how far we're going through here. I'm gonna find Megan. I know she wants to get some photos where she can set up her tripod. I would say this is probably the worst time. Middle of the afternoon on a Saturday. But hey, you know what? I'll try to get her photos and whatever. But either way, come in this backside. It is really cool. And the Torii gates just keep going and going and going. All right, so we went to that top part. And then kind of top.
40 minutes from the top.
Yeah, 40 minutes still to get to the top. But I fell. Now, I'm not going to say, oh, be careful. I'm pretty sure I'm the only one that fell. So, and then I bruised and cut myself.
Well,
so I'm like, I'm good to go.
Further up, right after that spot, it was more covered with trees. So the stairs were still wet and slick. And so it's easy for your foot to slip. That's why we turned around, because it was getting kind of wet. But also because we have dinner reservations.
Exactly. We wouldn't have. And this says an hour and a half without doing anything though. And no crowds. Hey. But yeah, we wouldn't have made our dinner reservation for sure. And we want to go to that because that's going to be amazing. But yeah, Torii gate's so worth it. This is beautiful, as you can see.
If you like this type of content, make sure you hit the like button and definitely subscribe. And if you're wondering where we went for supper, we went to the Future Train. It's actually in our food tour vlog there we just posted. So you're going to want to check that out. You know what? It was fully immersive. It was weird. And it was so Japan. So many different things to try, different things to see. It was awesome. We couldn't recommend it enough. But now let's get to Gion. If you want Kyoto without the chaos, set your alarm early. At 6 a.m., Gion is quiet. Lanterns are still glowing. And these wooden streets feel frozen in time. This neighborhood has been home to Kyoto's geisha culture for centuries. So we figured if we're going to explore it properly, we might as well rent kimonos and fully commit.
I got the jewels. I got the classes hat. I'm a samurai. What do we have here?
Look at this, babe.
Is that a matcha beer?
It is.
Is it?
Yeah. I got that for you. I saw that I ordered, and then I was like, I saw it, and I was like, is that a beer? Matcha beer? And he goes, yeah. I'm like, he's like, you want to try? I'm like, yeah.
How's that?
That's refreshing.
Is it? Looks good.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna try this matcha beer.
Does it smell like matcha?
I don't know. I really don't taste any matcha in it, so.
Does it taste like beer?
Yeah, it tastes like beer. It's decent. It's a beer. That's a beautiful ticket. That's a great souvenir.
It is.
To come in here, it's 500 for an adult, or I think I said 200 yen for a child.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, yeah, but it is starting to turn. It really is. Yeah. Yeah, if you come here around fall, this place is crazy. I couldn't imagine. We're missing out on it for sure. Fact drop bomb right now. No one was here. It was just me and Megan, and people were looking, but they just thought it was fountain. I swear they did.
Yeah, so here's the thing. The temple's name comes from this sacred waterfall where these streams are coming through, and visitors drink from 3 separate streams, each said to bring a different blessing. So one stream is for longevity, the other one's for success in your school or career, and then the third is for love and relationships. But it's considered greedy to drink from all 3, so you only drink from one.
Now, I would never consider this some type of bucket list destination, but hey, you know what? They got this Starbucks Kyoto, and unless you love your Starbucks, you probably don't care. But honestly, it is pretty cool. They got an upstairs. We grabbed a coffee and checked it out.
All right, we're getting the Kyoto Santa Claus. Kyoto Santa Claus. This is a great Christmas ornament. Cool souvenir too. So picking this up, great store too. You find a lot of stuff here. It's actually neat. Wow, that's mochi pounded. Yeah, come here for a show and some mochi, right? This is crazy. Holy crap! Well, be careful. We got your ass run over here. Let's go. Right? Okay, so you go up the stairs and it goes. Like, look at this. There's all these other, what, shrines? I don't know.
They are.
Beautiful. Big, beautiful structures. These are beautiful. Gotta be respectful here.
Golden Temple.
We're going to the Golden Temple, y'all.
It's literally, I think, like covered in gold leaf.
Yeah. But when you first get in, you're gonna notice a pile of people, but don't worry about that because it's an entire trail and you're gonna get your photos you want, you know, anywhere. There, here, over there. It kind of circles around the Golden Temple is what I'm noticing. Hey? Getting something here, and I found it right here. I'm getting this one right here. Yeah, and it's sake with pure gold leaf. So that'll look great at the bar. Oh wow, can I show that? That's amazing. That's so cool. Yeah, that's so cool. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, and I'll take the big one though. Gold leaf sake. How cool is that, hey?
We just thought it was the outside that was the
Yeah.
We didn't realize it was on the inside too.
That's a cool gift. Kinkaku Temple. When you're leaving or when you're coming in, you can get gold leaf ice cream. Megan's got the chocolate and vanilla. I got the strawberry and vanilla. Gold flakes and all. We're doing this. Let's go. Oh yeah, there they are right there.
Now, after a full day of sightseeing and checking out some places, we wanted to see what the Kyoto nightlife had. And honestly, we have a full separate video of this. It's amazing. It's a Kyoto nightlife. We got speakeasies, we got magic bars, we got fire. Go check that video out. It's amazing. And you know what? If you're in Kyoto and you like that type of vibe, you're going to love this. Go check it out.
All right, we're at the bamboo forest. It's 7:45 now. You got to walk, I don't know, 10 minutes from kind of like the parking area. Entrance area or whatever, and then you get to it. I don't know, it's bamboo. It is nice. I don't know. It's bamboo.
We're going to have a spoiler alert moment, and as cool as this bamboo forest is, there's a way better one. We're going to show you that in a bit.
So we are here at Otagi Temple, and it was about a 30-minute walk from the bamboo forest that everyone comes for the Instagram photos. And it was the most beautiful walk through the town. Yeah. But we got here, and there are people here, but it's not crazy. There's all these fun statues, and this is such a hidden gem.
Agreed.
Like, if you're going to come to the bamboo forest anyway, definitely add this in. Yes. It was 500 yen entrance. Yep. And it's just such a cool experience.
100% worth it, in my opinion. This is way cooler than the bamboo forest.
Way cooler.
It's a different thing, but it just was so underwhelming, the bamboo forest, compared to this. So yeah.
This is really fun. You can get cooler Instagram photos here.
Totally. So definitely do the bamboo forest. Like I say, not do it, but if you're going to do it anyways,
if you're going to come out to this area of Kyoto, add this on for sure.
Totally.
1000%.
Very playful bunch. Okay, everyone's going to those ones. Check out this one. I bet you a lot of people miss this one. Look at him. He's upside down. He's having so much fun. Alright, another reason why to go here, there's a secret bamboo forest. I had no idea about it. She did. So.
And more, I think this one has like 8,000 stone statues, it said.
8,000.
Yeah.
We gotta see them. We gotta see them.
This bamboo forest.
Way better. Loved it. Smaller, but better.
Prettier too.
Yeah, I thought this was it's so much more prettier, so much more nicer.
And
less people. It is smaller, but it was worth it. Absolutely.
Yeah, you still have to wait your turn to get your photos.
Yeah, but it's so much cooler.
Yeah, it just looks nicer.
Honestly, go to this one. If you're going to the other one, like, I think you'll be more pleased with going to this one, to be honest.
This is one of the oldest shrines in Kyoto, and I'm not even going to attempt to say the name. It's been standing here for over 1,000 years, and somehow it's tucked inside a forest right in the middle of the city. It honestly feels like we accidentally started hiking without leaving Kyoto.
Hey, this is kind of cool. So by the shrine that we went to, just over here, everyone's like hopping stones. It's kind of neat, actually.
And some of the stones are like in cool shapes, like some look like turtles.
Yeah. Megan's convinced me we're gonna walk. I'm gonna try. I'm really bad at balancing, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, some of them are a bigger jump, so just, you know, you're short, stumpy legs like me, I gotta really stretch them. That was actually fun. If you're around this area, do it. Why not? And go to that shrine. It is beautiful. Definitely go to that shrine.
Now, if you're wondering why we're at that shrine and by the river, we were actually walking to our Kyoto food ramen class. It is an amazing experience. We got it straight in the Kyoto food tour vlog. You're going to want to check that out. It's such a great experience. It's so much fun. We enjoyed ourselves. We loved it. Go do it and go check that video out.
I would say go there for sure. Like if you're looking for like a cooking class, do this. You're in Japan.
And they give you a little gift. You get to keep your bandana that they give you to wear. Yeah. And also you can choose like a little gift of a t-shirt, another bandana.
I got chopsticks. Yeah. But anyways, we're heading out. We're gonna go to the next one. See you there. We're at teamLab's Kyoto. If you didn't know it existed.
It's new, yeah.
Yeah, if you didn't know it existed, now you know. Let's go check it out.
And then there's Nara, where the deer literally run the city. Just under an hour from Kyoto, you'll find over 1,000 free roaming deer. And yes, they will bow to you for snacks or maybe headbutt you. But beyond the chaos, Nara is home to massive temples like Torii, with one of the largest Buddha statues in Japan. We actually made multiple full videos here. Things to do, food tours, all of it. So if you want the full Nara experience, definitely check those out. Kyoto honestly surprised us in the best way, from ancient shrines to wild light shows and everything in between. If this helped you plan your trip, make sure you subscribe. We've got way more Japan guides, food tours, and travel adventures coming. Thanks for watching, stay classless, and as always, we'll see you in the next one.